Are you looking for a way to make it easier for your pets to get on and off your couch, your bed, whatever? We may have a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this really nice folding dog ramp. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and honestly, I love the fact that it folds in half. This is going to make it easy to travel with or to store it underneath like a bed or something like that. It's not very wide when it's folded in half, which is nice. Storage is the main reason I love that it is this size. Now, clearly, my dogs are a little bit bigger. This is a little bit more narrow. I think it's still going to work for them, but we will give it a test and show you guys just how it works. It does have these spring latches on the side, so basically you just do that, and then there's a latch there, and then there's also a latch down here as well. Let me open this up and show you how it works. Setting this up is actually really easy. Do you see this latch here on the side? These also latch together, and then that's going to hold it nice and sturdy for when your dogs go up and down. And then this down here, let me show you. Underneath here, you can see this is what makes this adjustable. So basically, you can adjust this to whatever height you want. So like at that height, it's a very small ramp for getting up and down something lower to the ground, or we can go all the way up, which of course by doing this does change the angle as well. There it is all the way up, and now of course it's tall enough. It's actually a little bit too tall for the couch. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit, and then we're going to let Miss Eleanor give it a try. I do also love it has a handle over here. So when you have it folded together, it's nice and easy, and then it's kind of got these little steps on here. This is like a non-slip carpet surface on here, and it has the rungs that stick out, so she's going to have grip as she goes up and down. Let's get her on it. Can you walk up? Walk up. Yeah, go ahead. I know, it's kind of skinny. Walk up. You can do it. I believe in you. Walk up. That was not a walk up. That was a leap up. Okay, can walk down. That's a pretty good walk down. Okay, Ray, walk up. Oh, good girl. That's a leap up. That's cheating. Walk down. She's like, oh, it's great for getting down, but I don't need no help getting up. I know, you don't. Walk up. Come on. Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Okay, walk down. Oh, good job. You're so smart. You want to walk up it one more time for us? Walk up. That's pretty good. All right, walk down. Walk down. She's like, give me that cookie. All right. If your dog has never used a ramp before, hi, baby, using treats is definitely going to help. That worked really good, even for the big dog. Eleanor, for reference, is about 48 pounds, and that's at a pretty good angle. And she still did it. She didn't slip. She didn't slide. She had good traction. If you guys are looking for a nice ramp that's foldable, easy to store, and easy for your dogs to use, and adjustable, we recommend this.